storytelling about feeling word. But firstly, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Rido.
My name is Louis Kaplan Samani.
My name is Sujah Madini.
My name is Kevin Rinaldi.
My name is Nala Zurika.
My name is Elsa Octavia.
And I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you guys about what expression or what feelings did I have when I went to holiday with my friends. So last holiday I went to Mount Bintan with 9 friends. We were so excited because we had planned it for a long time. On the way, we laughed, we played music, and we took some picture. When we started climbing, it was fun at first, but later the path got harder, and suddenly we heard a noise in the bushes. We felt scared for a moment, but then someone joked, and everyone started laugh. When we reached the top, we felt so happy. The view was amazing. We could see trees, houses, and the blue sky. It made us feel amazed by the view. On the way home, we were tired but smiling. I feel nostalgic thinking that it was one of the best trips with my friends. I think that's it from the story, what I just feel with my friend. Thank you guys, and what about you guys?
Hi guys.
Hi! So we are here to tell our stories and how we feelings about our life experience. So it started with me. So when I was younger back then, I was filled with anxious and any other negative emotions, but as I grew older, I began to face challenges that didn't involve any physical change, and instead it's emotional endurance. And there were times when I felt lonely even when I was surrounded by many people, including my family, my friends, or even in the middle of the crowd. Yeah, it feels like it feels awful to me actually, and maybe it was because I started realizing that everyone is not for me, and that's fine. Friends came and went, and some relationship faded naturally. I used to take it personally, wondering what I had done wrong and feeling guilty about it. But there's a time when I feel disappointed and furious about what I faced back then. But it was okay, because as I matured, I understood that people were. But as I matured, I understood that people leave not always because of us. It's not always because my personality. It's not always because of my actions and any other of that. It's because they wanted to do that thing, and that realization was painful at first, but later I just start to give myself peace by doing something other than that and live happily.
So, how about you, Elsa?
The first time I moved away from my home to study, I felt so mixed up inside. I was really nervous and anxious because I was far from my family and didn't know how to live independently. Sometimes I feel lonely. I also feel lonely because and really miss the atmosphere of my home, especially during the first few nights alone in the new place. Sometimes I feel confused because I had to manage everything by myself. But little by little, I start to feel comfortable and more confident everything on my own. I also feel happy and have many friends who are fun here. Even though I often still cry because I miss my family and my high junior friends. But I know I have to be strong for my future. This experience of moving away made me grow up and be ready for life challenge. Okay, is that all? Yes.
Hi guys, my name is Suci Rahmadini. I want to tell about my experience with a feeling words. So last year I went to Bandung with my mother and my father. Bandung city is the first place I visited to vacation with my family. After passing many toll gates, I felt cold when I entered the foggy Bandung city and very excited at the same time. My family's holiday in Bandung city for 3 days. On our first day, we visited a beautiful tea plantation. The view very amazing, but I become nervous when I saw how steep the paths were. The next day, we visited campuses in the city of Bandung. I feel very amazed by the beautiful Bandung, by the beautiful building and a vast environment. At night, my father told me we would go home one day earlier than planned. I feel a little disappointed. However, we had a fantastic dinner at night, and I felt satisfied. We have memories we made. Thank you. Anyway, how about you guys?
Hi guys, today I want to tell you about my feeling word. The weather today is cloudy and that making me think I can't meet my friend because I'm sick. sick. But when I come to campus, I'm very happy to meet my friends. I'm very happy. Like I meet Nela, I meet Sushi, I meet other people and make me happy, enjoy to study for today. Yesterday, I got a case study assignment from Sir Gatot, and that made me excited. The first time we got a case study assignment, we were surprised. We had to meet junior high school, and that scared me. We are worried about our activities will not go well, but hopefully about our activities will success and that making Sir Gatot proud and enjoy about our result. Thank you. How about you guys?
Hi guys, I wanted to share about my feeling when first come in the Tanjung Pinang. When I first come in the Tanjung Pinang, I feel happy and excited because it is a capital city and I expected it to be big and crowded. But after staying for a while, I was surprised and little confused because the city was much quieter than I imagined. At first, I feel disappointed and sometimes lonely since the streets were calm and not too busy. However, as time passed, I start to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere and the kindness of the people. Now I feel truly grateful to live in this simple but warm city. See you guys!